Unless you bruise a little bit to get that fucking deep stretch. Whoa, that popped up into the red. That was not bad. Yay, Nico! I wonder if he's right. Excuse me. This is birth of a blanket fort. A dawn of a new day. We're gonna have to... Sorry, excuse me. We're gonna have to do another trip to IKEA because I definitely have to get some new pillows and some new LED lights. Oh my god. I feel like I just felt my rib cage swing open for the first time. And to meditate, sort of let go of the stress of the day. For whether we are white or copper skin, we need to see the voices of the mountain. Like a hardcore medium streamer.
I found him. The king of...
Excuse me. Peachy, I hope your kitty is having a good day with you. A chance to scream it up. Excuse me. I do apologize, that was gross. You know. That's what I say to pants. Okay, wait, is that the truth? Is that the truth though, Peachy? And that's what I think about that. What is this?
Fine. Oh, thank God.
Oh no, we need to be careful with burping today because I feel like I might gamble and lose.
Keep it on those corpse men. You're a better burper than me. Every time I burp,
Some of them are not
like
good.
weak.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm trying to be more ladylike. I swear to God. Excuse me. Is that anybody's fetish? Is that anybody's fetish? Excuse me. Don't try polyamory, kids. Excuse me. Excuse me. That was still really loud, but there was, if I had opened my mouth, it would have been like a spit take. Excuse me. Hi, Jake is my daughters. Welcome. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Perhaps it was the bystander effect. I don't know.
Feel now as opposed to when you first stepped onto your mat.
Yeah. Yeah. That's good yoga. Excuse me.